koutou, ko Jonty ahau. I am Jonty.
In Moato, WINTON School, ko Brooklyn ahau. I am Brooklyn. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu the 21st of February.
Kapa Health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is high from 11 till 3. Man, it's going to be a hot day.
But make sure you wear your potae from 11 o'clock as it's going to be a hot day.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Kapa Haka for juniors today in the hall from 12:30. Please bring your lunch.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's phrase is Koina,
which is te reo for yes, that's it.
Hey look, is this your pen?
Yes, it is. Birthday news at 1 today at WINTON School. Happy birthday to Kason in room 12.
He's turning 11 today. We hope you have an amazing day.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Play hard and play fair and have fun, WINTON School.